Vivaldi gives you a lot of control over how you search the web, including which search engine is used in normal browsing, private windows, and even image searches. In this video, I'll show you how to change those settings, add your own search engines, and remove ones you no longer use. To get started, open Vivaldi. In the classic layout, click the Vivaldi menu button in the upper left corner. If you're using a layout where the menu isn't always visible, simply move your cursor to the top of the screen to reveal it. You can also open the settings window directly at any time by pressing Ctrl plus F12. Once you're in settings, select Search from the menu on the left side. At the top of the page, you'll find three important options: Default Search Engine, Private Window Search Engine, and Image Search Engine. For both the default search engine and private window search engine, Vivaldi includes several popular choices out of the box. These are Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Ecosia, StartPage, Wikipedia, and Google. The image search engine setting controls which service is used when performing image searches. Here you can choose between Google and Bing. You can mix and match these however you like. For example, you might use Google as your normal search engine, DuckDuckGo in private windows, and Bing for image searches. Simply open the drop-down menus and choose the combination that best fits your preferences. If you'd like to add a search engine that isn't already included, scroll down to the Search Engine Editor section and click the Add button. Before adding the new search engine, open the website you want to use and perform a search on it. Once the search results page loads, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Now return to Vivaldi and paste that URL into the URL field. In the copied address, locate the search term you used and replace it with %S. This tells Vivaldi where to insert future search queries when you use that search engine. Next, enter a name for the search engine and choose a nickname. The nickname can be used in the address bar to quickly search with that specific search engine whenever you want. Once you've filled in the details, it will be added to your list of available search providers. You can also remove search engines you no longer need. Before deleting one, make sure it isn't currently selected as your default search engine or your private window search engine. Once that's done, find the search engine in the list and click the Delete button. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure. Click Delete again to remove it permanently. And that's all there is to managing search engines in Vivaldi. Whether you want more privacy, different search results, or simply more control over how you browse, Vivaldi makes it easy to customize your search experience. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more Vivaldi tips, tricks, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.